How to replace Chase credit card or debit card. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how you can replace Chase credit card or debit card on your device. I'm going to be showing you step-by-step procedure on how you can do it. Make sure to stick with us till the end and follow the instructions guide. In order to replace a credit card or debit card, first thing first, you need to log in into your online banking account of Chasebank. After you're logged into your account, you'll be directed to the home page, and this is how the interface is going to look like. Once you're on the home page, you'll be able to see a multiple credit card and debit card that is linked to your Chasebank. So from the list, you need to select the particular debit card that you wish to replace it with. On the other page, you need to swipe up to account services and tap replace a lost or damaged card, and then tap on replace a lost or damaged card. On the other page, you need to select the card you want to replace and then tap on the next button. Now you'll need to choose a reason why you need to replace. You need to tap on the next button. Review your choices. If everything looks good, tap on the request card button located right at the bottom. You're all set. You'll get a confirmation along with some important things to know. In this way, you can replace your card on Chasebank. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.